What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about directory partition has not been backed up. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about directory partition has not been backed up. What do you mean, Bernardo? So I logged into one of my domain controllers and I saw this 4 or 5 warnings basically stating the directory partition has not been backed up since at least the following number of days. And I'm scratching my head like, what is going on? What? I thought I actually had a backup system running within my domain controller. I think it stopped because of, I don't have a lot of space within my lab. So I think that's the reason what I got this warning. I'm going to show you guys how to fix it if you receive this particular warning within your domain controller. Now, the first thing that I did within my desktop is I opened up the command prompt and I ran the following command. I hit enter. Now, the reason why I ran this command because I want to make sure everything is running perfect behind the scenes. I don't want to have any particular errors. So my theory that my backup, system that was supposed to back up my domain controller was a problem. I just wanted to make sure that was the problem or it was something else. Now, within my lab, I like to use Windows Backup because it's free, but I'm going to show you guys really quick how to install it. So we are going to click on Start. We're going to click on Server Manager. On the upper right-hand side, we are going to click on Manage. We're going to click on Add Rules and Features. We're going to click Next here. We're going to click Next again. We're going to click Next again. We're going to click Next. Now we're going to scroll all the way in the bottom until we find Windows Server Backup. For me, I already have it installed within my domain controller, so I'm good to go. If you don't have it installed, just make sure you follow the prompts, check it, click Next, 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 and just follow the prompts until you have it installed completely, okay? On the Server Manager, I needed to check whether or not this domain controller was being backed up. So I have my Server Manager up and running, and the first thing that I did was click on Tools, and I located Windows Server Backup, and I clicked on it. Now, the last time that I successfully backed up was about 2 years ago. Holy moly, so I definitely need to back up. So that's the reason why I was getting those warnings. So on the right-hand side, we are going to click on Backup Once. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, Bernardo, why you don't do a schedule? I'm running low on space within my environment, so I definitely have to do, Backup Once. So I clicked on Backup Once. The wizard comes up. I'm going to click Next here. We're going to do a custom. So select custom and we're going to click Next. We're going to click on Add Items. Now, the item that we're going to select will be the system state. And we're going to click OK. We're going to click Next here. If you have a separate partition to drop your backup files, go for it. I like to do a network share. So I'm going to check off Remote Shared Folder. Click Next here. And then provide the UNC path of the share of where you want your backup files to be dropped into. So this is what I entered. For access control, I left it as inherit. And I'm going to click on Next. A nice little summary. We're going to click on Backup. It's going to start creating the shadow copy of the volume. Eventually, it's going to start backing up. And then give it some time. Go grab something to eat. And you're going to get this, hopefully, when you come back. Complete it. We're going to close it. And the backup has successfully done. That's it. Backup successfully done. That's it. So I actually have a good copy. You're probably saying to yourself, Bernardo, you haven't, something failed. I failed because, again, running low on space. I didn't have enough space, so the backup failed. So I actually had to delete that 2-year-old backup and then reestablish the backup again. And it backed up with no problem because I had enough space. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.